Hi there. Today I thought I would talk about how to store your wigs when you're not wearing them on a daily basis. So if you get 4 or 5 wigs, you might want to rotate them out, and how do you store them and keep them in good condition. There are many ways to do this. Some people have styrofoam heads and they put that in the closet, maybe drape a scarf over them. Some people keep them in Ziploc bags. I do that sometimes, but I prefer to keep them the same way they arrive in the mail, which is in a box. And it doesn't necessarily have to be the same manufacturer box. You can use a shoe box and maybe get 2 or 3 wigs in one box. You're also going to need tissue paper, and you want to make sure that your wig is clean and 100% dry. You never want to store a damp wig because mildew can form from that. So, very clean, very dry. And you're going to need tissue paper. I prefer to ball it up like it came, and you're just going to put it on the inside. This tissue paper kind of helps it keep that shape, and it will also absorb any moisture. And then you're going to need a hairnet. I keep the ones that my wigs come in, or you go to Sally's and for $1 or $2 you can get a hairnet. And the hairnet just keeps all the hairs from rubbing or tangling if you put more than one wig in a box. Then you have your box, and you just put it in there, and you try not to crush it too much, but still make it fit in the box. Then you can stack these neatly at the top of your closet until you decide that you want to use them. This box actually goes with this wig, which is the Shannon in Pecan Delight, if you happen to be wondering. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.